Hello everyone, I'm Paulino and I'm glad to see you again. Today I'm here to announce a new series on my channel called Paint Drops. We even have the school intro now, look at that. Since I started this channel 2 months ago, I've been collecting many ideas and suggestions from you. Things that are related to texturing and that will be interesting to discuss in a video format. And by the way, thank you so much for sending them. After a while, I noticed that some of these topics are more complex and required a lot of research on my part, but others can be explained in less than 3 minutes. That's when I had the idea to gather many of these technical tips and tricks that I've learned over the years and share them with you in a shorter format video. For example, have you ever got stuck in Maya when you were unwrapping a complex object and you needed just a quick tip on how to do it? What about when you wanted to create a dust mask for a character using just procedurals? I got you covered. With these short videos, my goal is to go straight to the point with no introductions so you can save them for a later reference. But don't worry, I'm also keeping the edited format videos that you've seen here so far. And in the future, I'm planning longer workflow videos and also bringing guests to discuss things such as color space, modeling workflows for texture artists, and much more. So I hope you like this new series. The first video is already up and you can check the link up here or in the description below, okay? And if you have any more tips and trick suggestions that can be explored in the Paint Drop series, just leave a comment below or you can contact me on my Instagram account, okay? And as always, I see you guys next week.